Welcome everyone. In this video lecture, we will solve this gate question which is based on the output expression calculation in CMOS circuitry. Okay, so as shown, the circuit is shown here. We have to find out the output expression. Okay, that is our this y we have to find. Okay, so we have to find this output expression as a inputs A, B, C. Okay, so this one is a CMOS structure. So in this case, we have to know some basic concept. Okay, means this type of structure have equal number of PMOS transistor and equal number of NMOS transistor. So the above part of PMOS network is our pull up network. So I am writing the above portion. This one is very easy concept. So, but we have to know this one is our pull up network, and the below one we can say the pull down network. Okay, the above one is our pull up network. Okay, and the below one is our pull down network, just like our CMOS inverter. Okay, so this one is a pull up network and this one is a pull down network. So, uh, so in this pull down network, this A and B is in parallel combination. So if this is parallel combination, it will perform OR operation. Okay, and it is series with something, so it should be in AND operation. Okay, and this Y will be always complementary for this one. So you can do like that. To understand this concept, first I am making the use of a simple circuit, that is our CMOS inverter. This one is our VDD, and for the time being I am saying this one is a input and this one is also A input. We can connect also the same thing. So and this one is Y. Okay, both are connected here. If we connect like that, we also, so Y equals to, we can say, A bar. Okay, so here also output will be some bar. Okay, so this one is the below one is our what, pull down network. Okay, so I am writing NTW, and above one is our pull up network. So pull up network is connected to supply, output is connected to supply, and in that case pull down network output is connected to ground. Okay, so in such cases, if I am writing, if we add one more transistor, for example, if we, again I am making one more structure. Say this one is a VDD, say this one is A, better to put a bubble here. This one is A or B. Okay, we are taking output. So in this case, the below one, this below one is our pull down network. Okay, and the above one, this one is our pull up network. So here this Y output will be, this one is our A and B. So it should be in series. So it should be A dot B bar. Okay. If it is in parallel, so we have to, so this one is nothing but simply our AND gate, NAND gate. Okay. And then a bar. Okay. Now similarly, if we draw another circuit, because these three circuit for inverter and this NAND and one more node is very important. If we know these three diagram, you can solve every question. So in this case, this one is a and B, make it A or B, okay, and VDD, and this one is our output. So I am writing Y. So here this NMOS is in what? Parallel combination. So in parallel combination, we have to go for the OR operation, and then we have to put the bar. Okay. So as a summary, we can write, because this one is very important. This one is our, we can say, note. Okay, and this one is our NAND and NOR. If we know these three, you can solve any question. Okay. So as a summary, we can say, I am writing pull up network, okay, pull down network. Logic operation. So this one is theory. This question takes only 2 minutes, but theory we have to know. So pull up network is what? Is pull up network is in, say, series. Okay, pull up network is in series. Any one we can take. Then the other network will be in parallel. Okay, just complementary. Okay, if pull up network is in series, this one, and pull down network is in parallel, so it will perform NOR operation. Okay, and pull up one is in parallel and pull down is in series. Okay, so it will perform a NAND operation. That two things we have to clear. Okay, this one is our series one, so NAND, and parallel one, so NOR. Okay, so you can remember anyone. If you think about only pull down network, so in pull down network, if two things are in series, so it is give the NAND function and it will give the NOR function. So here what we can observe that in our question, now I am coming to the question, these two are in parallel combination. So we can say it will give A plus B from here, and this one is C. Okay, this A plus B is in series with C. So this y will be simply our a plus b into c whole bar. Okay, so this one is the output. Okay, because if two transistor is in parallel, it will give the OR function. Okay, and then this one is with the series, so it will be the end. Then after we have to go for the NAND. Okay, so this one is the final output, but this one is not there in our options. Okay, so we have to solve this y equals to a plus b into c bar is the final. Okay, so now what we have to do, this one is the logical expression. So what we have to do, we have to apply De Morgan's theorem. Okay, so first I am writing De Morgan's theorem. What it, okay, so in De Morgan's theorem, as we know, if x plus y whole bar, so it should be x dash into y dash, and x y dash equals to x dash plus y dash. This one is the expression. Okay, so now for the time being, if I am saying a plus b, okay, I can write this as a xy bar, where our x is our a plus b and y is our c. It is very simple. So this, okay, this one is y also there, so make it z, z. Okay, make it z, c z. So y equals to x dot z bar. Okay, so then x dot z bar is nothing but simply x bar plus z bar. Okay, so then x bar is nothing but simply a plus b bar plus, we can write as c bar. Okay, now once again, a plus b bar can be written as a dash b dash plus c dash bar or something. You can write it for your convenience. Okay, a dash b dash plus c dash, because x plus y dash is equal to x dash into y dash. So this one is the final result, a dash b dash plus c dash. So which one is the correct? So I think first one is the correct one. First, so okay, so this one is the final answer for this one. So in this question, we have to just think about this concept. Means if two things are in series, in case of pull down network, so it will perform the NAND operation. Okay, and when two things are in parallel, so it will perform the NOR operation. Pull down network. Okay, the pull up network will be just opposite to this one. This one is in series, sorry, parallel. So above one will be in series. Okay, above one will be in parallel. So the pull down one will be in series. Okay, if there is a composite nature, if the composite nature, this one is the composite nature. So these two is in series. Sorry, these two is in parallel, and it is in series with C. So it should be A plus B into C whole bar. So then after we have to run this thing, because this one is not available in our what we can say in option. So we have to use the De Morgan's theorem. Okay. So by applying De Morgan's theorem, finally we will get A dash dot B dash plus C dash. Okay. So this is all about this question. So thank you for watching this video.